video, I'm going to show you guys how to tighten up your belt on your APU. That way, whenever you hear that squeaking noise, whenever your APU is on, like that way you can get rid of that noise, that annoying noise. Whenever the AC kicks on the APU, that way you can get rid of it. Let's get to it. It's only a 7/16 volt. You have one up, you have two up top, you have two in the bottom. So all you're trying to do, do you see that? This is the air compressor. There's an AC compressor right here. And in case you need to know, what is recording? Okay. And in case you need to know your belt number, that's it right there. In case you need to know your belt number, that's it. All you need to do is tighten up this right here, which in turn will tighten that up, and that'll get rid of your noise. Let's do it. There we go. Not tell. Not tell if it's looser or so. If I'm going this way, that means actually no, I need to go that way. I'm getting it looser actually. Let's see. Yeah, I was getting it loose. There we go. Because when it gets hot, it will get a little loose, it will expand a little bit. But you're getting a little too carried away. Let's try and see what it does now. I think we're there now. That's about it. Locking that back in. Here's my 5/8. Don't grab. I'm 11/16. And I think we'll see what it does now. You can hear the you hear that? That is the videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. Now, I hope we're running again. Back in the road. Let's go.